All right, Ben, thanks. Door County schools finished the week today, taking extra steps to make sure their schools are clean.
Health officials announced yesterday the county was home to the first confirmed case of the respiratory illness known as Enterovirus D68. Fox 11's Eric Peterson with today's update from Sturgeon Bay.
Doctors at Door County Medical Center in Sturgeon Bay are releasing few details, but they say it started about 2 weeks ago when a child was brought here.
A pediatric patient was hospitalized and was, in the course of treatment, tested for the virus, and subsequently that was sent to the state Board of Hygiene and then over to the CDC, and test came back positive for the enterovirus.
Dr. James Hyde says Enterovirus D68 is similar to a cold, but symptoms make it hard to breathe, especially for the young.
This virus can affect anybody, for any people from 6 weeks all the way up to 16 years.
The County Health Department sent letters to all public and private schools.
We have Blackboard Connect, which is an electronic messaging system, and we can send out things right away.
Southern Door County School Superintendent Patty Vickman says the school was scrubbed as well.
Our custodians and maintenance crew continue to do a great job of making sure surfaces are wiped down, and our school is always as healthy as it can be.
Doctors say the virus may be at its peak, and the patient was released after a brief hospital stay. The State Department of Health Services says it will test for serious cases involving children and adults, but officials say now that this strain is here, widespread testing will be scaled back.
Test results do not change any treatments that the patient might have. It does not change any precautions taken. There's no antivirals. There's no vaccine for it. We're really just doing surveillance to see if it's in the state and where it is in the state.
Tom Haupt says there are about 30 to 35 suspected cases from across the state that have already been sent to the Centers for Disease Control. In Sturgeon Bay, Eric Peterson, Fox 11 News.
The Centers for Disease Control is testing at least 40 samples from Wisconsin. The State Department of Health says it expects some of those results back next week. And to protect yourself from getting sick, here are some recommendations from the state. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Disinfect frequently touched surfaces often. And people with asthma should make sure they don't miss taking any medication.